How to get router's firmware using the check button in the router web interface. Netgear regularly releases firmware updates to improve product performance, add new features, and enhance security. If you visit http://routerlogin.net, you might see a message at the top dashboard stating that new firmware is available. You can click on that message to check if new firmware is available and to update your router. To check for new firmware and update your router. 1. Launch a web browser from a computer or mobile device that is connected to your router's network. Popular web browsers include Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Edge. Note, we recommend that you connect a computer to the router using an Ethernet cable to update the firmware. 2. In your web browser's address bar, type http://www.routerlogin.net. 3. Click or tap Enter. The router login window displays. 4. Enter your admin username and password. Select Advanced GT, Administration or Settings GT, Administration. Note, the label varies by router. 5. Select Firmware Update or Router Update. 6. Click or tap Check. The router searches for new firmware. 7. If a new firmware is available, click or tap Yes. The firmware updates. Warning, to avoid the risk of corrupting the firmware, do not interrupt the update. For example, do not close the browser, click a link, or load a new page. Do not turn off the router. The router restarts after the firmware is uploaded and updated. The update process typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Read the new firmware release notes to find out if you must reconfigure the router after updating.